guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Emily. Today I'm going to be testing out a hair dryer brush. I already took it out of the packaging. This is from Visage, or Visage, I don't know, however you say that. And it's like a brush that blow dries your hair and styles it, and apparently it's really fast. I hate blow drying my hair. I actually hate it. It is so time consuming. My hair is really thick, so it takes forever. Always get really sweaty, your arms get tired, it's exhausting, and it's time consuming, so I don't like it. So we'll see if this makes me like blow drying my hair any better, or if it's any easier, if it works better, all that jazz. I just got out of the shower. You can see my hair is very wet. And we're gonna see how it works for my hair. My hair is pretty curly unless I flat iron it. It's curly, frizzy, and that long. So goes down to right here. So if this doesn't work for my hair, that doesn't mean it's not gonna work for your type of hair. It just means that we have different kinds of hair. So let's get started. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair in half, just where the part goes, and this half I'm gonna blow dry with the brush. And then this half, I'm gonna blow dry with a normal blow dryer, and we'll see which is better, which is faster, how it looks, all the things. Let's get started. Alright, so I put half my hair, this half, into ponytail bun ugly thing. And I'm gonna do first contact with this. How you twist it, this to turn it on. So it's 0, cold, I'm assuming, for C, and then 1 and 2. So we're going to go all the way to 2. So I think that's cold. 1, 2. That doesn't provide that much air. Okay. Let's give it a try. Finished blow drying it, this half of my hair with the brush. It doesn't look that much different, and the back is still really wet, but I mean, I'm kind of impressed. 4 minutes for it to dry my hair for the most part. What? It's literally It's literally taken me an hour to blow dry my hair. And the fact that I would be able to do it in 10 minutes. Are you kidding me? Like I said, the back is still really wet, but the front is like completely dry. Alright, now I'm going to do this half of the blow dry, and I'm going to put this half up in the bun. That was weird. My phone just ran out of storage, even though I literally have like nothing in my camera roll. Anyway, this is the hair. It was the same amount of time. This is blow drying it like with the hair dryer. This is blow drying it with the brush. So this is definitely like a lot curlier and messier looking, and this is just poofy. You can really see the back, it's not dry. And I mean, yeah, blow dryer will definitely get it more dry. Yeah. Like, I was trying to get it dry too, and it just wasn't drying. So would I recommend this? Probably not. I mean, I'm gonna use it again because it is easier to use. It's not easier to use than a blow dryer. It's just more comfortable to use than a blow dryer. But it really didn't work. Like, I mean, the heat was coming out so slowly. Like, it was like a little like puff of air. Whereas this is like a very constant like stream. Yeah, this is a lot curlier and this is straighter. So I will use it again. I'm not gonna like shun it, but use a hairdryer. That's all I got. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, press the red subscribe button, and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Here are my social media handles. Make sure you check out my podcast called Disney Geeks, available on Spotify, YouTube, Anchor, Audio Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and Apple Podcasts. I launched it on more platforms. Tune into my next video, where I'm going to be doing the person in front of me does the drive-thru thing, and I'm so excited. But yeah, that's all I got for now. So I love you guys, and I'll see you later.